I have something important to tell you. Come quickly at my home now.
Father, what is the problem? Why did you call us urgently like that?
Let's wait for your younger brother to arrive, then I'll tell you.
What do you think the reason why father called us?
I heard his house is going to be taken by the bank. He wants to stay with one of us.
Oh.
In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing AI tool that will help you generate videos from images. It is 100% free and you can generate as many images as possible, and it is unlimited. This is WizyLabs. We teach tips and strategies on how to grow. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell so you get notified when we put new videos. Without wasting time, let's dive into this video. You are going to download this app. Go in Play Store or Apple Store. Go in your Play Store or Apple Store and search Digen AI. Digen AI. Digen AI. Then tap on Get and download the app. Download the app. It is downloading right now. The app is downloaded. The app is downloaded. Then tap on Open. Tap on Open. This is the app. Then we have to sign in. Tap on the left corner and tap on Continue with Google. Continue with Google. You're going to choose your email address you want to sign in with. You choose the email address you want to sign in with. Let's choose this email address that we want to sign in with. They tap on it. Tap Continue. It is going to sign in. It's already signed in. As you have seen, when you sign in, they give you 300 points, and each video takes 20 points, and they add those points every single day. They add every single day they add points. Every single day they add points, which makes it unlimited. We are going to tap on Create. Tap on where the picture. To choose the picture we are going to make a video. Pick the picture we are going to make a video from. Let's choose this one. Let's choose this one. Then you tap on the word prompt. Tap on the word prompt. We are going to put our prompt. Let's put a man crying in sorrow. You put your prompt the way you want the image to turn to video, to the way you want the picture to turn. Here you can put voice over. You can put voice in the image, in the video you are creating. You can put voice, but right now we want to create an image. We want to create a video from the image using this free AI tool. Here you can, there are many features. There are many features. There are many features. You tap Generate. Now it is generating. It's going to take like around 1 minute. It depends on the traffic, but it's going to take around 1 minute to generate the image. And this AI app is amazing because it gives you unlimited credits. That means you can create as many videos as possible. It is unlimited. Then our image has finished generating. Our video has finished generating. Our image has finished generating. As you can see, this is an amazing AI app that's going to help you create videos from images. Try it out. This is Wizzy Labs. We teach tips and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Tap your notification bell so you get notified when we put new videos. Thank you.